everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my giveaway ending this Sunday. I will put a link to the video up in the cards above and in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out and enter to win. Let me tell you all about a new colored contact lens company called Melon Color. So keep on watching. A representative from the company called Melon Color, which specializes in all different kinds of colored contact lenses, reached out to me and wanted to work with me and send me colored contact lenses to do a review. So let me show you what the contacts look like first, in natural sunlight, room lighting, and of course with artificial lighting. Here you go.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in this hate. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadow.
So what do you guys think? Are you interested in this company? They're called Melon Color again. I'll tell you a little bit about the company. I'll put up my discount or my coupon code that I have with them. If I don't by the time this video is made, then I'll definitely put all the links in the description box, and I will put a pinned comment in the comment section down below, so make sure you check that out. But let me tell you a little bit about this company first. So Melon Color was established in 2015. They are a professional manufacturing trade that is concerned with the design, development, and production of colored contact lenses and glitters. They have advanced internal coating technique, a variety of contact lens designs, high quality products, and satisfied service. All of their products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. They have gained a global sales network reaching Europe, America, Australia, etc. Seeking colorful, or seeking a more colorful life, is their slogan, and they try their best to provide all of their customers with high quality, colorful products. During the 4 years of development, they've always insisted on the principle of quality and service first. And because of this, they have won the love and support of many customers. Just choose your favorite colored contact lenses and glitters from Melon Color right now. So again, I will put a link directly to the company so you can all check them out. They have a variety of colored contact lenses. I will put all the information in the description box down below and also in the comment section, so make sure you check that out. Now let me tell you about the two colored contact lenses that I got and honestly what I think about them. So the two colored contact lenses that I got were Queen Yellow Green and Ocean Green. And I have to say, they look very, very similar at first glance. When I first got them, I was like, these look actually pretty similar. Let me show you the information and the specs of the lenses quickly right here. And I always put all information in the description box down below, so if you ever have any questions, just check my description box. Everything is always right there. So I first tried the Queen Yellow Green contact lenses, and these lenses, I have to tell you, you guys, they are so stunning. They are so comfortable. I've had them in all day today, and I barely feel like I'm wearing them. I have to say, especially with contact lenses that are pretty new to the market, or they haven't really been around very long, I'm kind of scared to try new contact lenses because I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna like them. What if I don't like them? I don't like to tell you guys about products that I really don't like, but I'm honestly telling you guys, I love these colored contact lenses. The pattern on them, as you can see from the shots, both from natural sunlight and even from with artificial lighting with this ring light, they look so super duper natural. They remind me a lot of the Topps Face Polar Lights yellow green contact lenses. Those are my favorites, and these I'm pretty sure are about to be my second favorite, or even my actual favorite colored contact lenses. They are so comfortable. I've been wearing them for the past 2 days for like 8 hours straight. I have no problems with them. They are very comfortable. The pupil hole isn't too big. They look so natural. Like, even as I'm looking at them now, I put them in and I'm like, I'm wearing contact lenses though. They look so subdued and natural. You can't even really tell that someone is wearing colored contact lenses. That's how good these contact lenses are. So now for the ocean green, I also like those contact lenses. They look very natural. Maybe because I have light brownish eyes, that's maybe why they might look a little bright. Like, I feel like with natural lighting they look a little bright. But I also love those contact lenses. They are so soft, so natural. I absolutely love both of these contact lenses that I've got. I can't wait to continue working with this company, continue promoting their products to you guys, and I hope you all enjoy wearing these contact lenses if you have heard of this company and if you are interested in purchasing anything from this company. You will not regret it. Their contact lenses are so comfortable and so good. Let me know in the comment section down below, have you guys ever heard of this company prior? Because I'd never heard of them before they reached out to me. So I was pleasantly surprised to learn about another colored contact lens company. And I was very, very excited to work with them because I know you all love these videos. I love making these videos for you all. So I was very, very quite surprised to wear these contact lenses and love them as much as I do. So let me know in the comment section down below, are you interested in purchasing lenses from this company? Have you heard of this company before? Which lenses are you interested in getting? Thank you all so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Thank you all. Don't forget to check out my giveaway video. I have it going on again until this Sunday, so make sure you watch it and enter. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, live a fun and healthy lifestyle, and of course keep up with the beauty community news, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified of when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I usually put them all throughout my video and in the description box down below. Check out the description box. Check out Melon Color. Let me know what you think about them. And thank you all so much, and I will see you all very, very soon. Have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.